eFootball download completed problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search eFootball, click on eFootball, make sure update latest version eFootball app in your Android or iPhone. Tap on hold eFootball, click on I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Swipe the notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.